Hello students, today we shall study social studies lesson number 13, that is the states in the northern plains. Okay, these northern states in the northern plains include Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. But we have included West Bengal also in this lesson, which is in the eastern side of India. We shall go through each state one by one. So let us start with Punjab. The word Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. Chandigarh being its capital city, and the state covers an area of around 50,000 square kilometers with a population of 28 million and 22 districts. It shares its borders with the states of Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan, and the main languages spoken here are Punjabi and Hindi. Okay. And farmers in Punjab grow wheat, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, and oil seeds. Rivers like the Satluj, the Ravi, the Bias, the Chenab, and the Jhelum flow through this state. The popular cities in this state are Jalandhar, Amritsar, Ludhiana, and Bhatinda. We shall study about Chandigarh now. Chandigarh is a union territory, as we all have studied earlier, as well as the capital of Punjab and Haryana, meaning Chandigarh is the only city that has two states, that is, which it is the capital city of two states, that is, one is Punjab and the other is Haryana. It is a well planned city designed by the French architect Le Corbusier. And people living in this city speak Punjabi, English, and Hindi. Population of Chandigarh is less because there are no big factories around this city. Sukhna Lake, Rock Garden, and the Rose Garden are the main attraction for tourists. Okay. Rock Garden was designed by Nek Chand and is full of objects built from household and industrial waste. So whenever you get a chance to visit Chandigarh, do make it a point to visit the Rock Garden. The Rose Garden has more than 1,000 varieties of roses. So one can imagine how beautiful it must be looking where you have 1,000 varieties of roses in under one roof. And it is the biggest in Asia. Okay. The Secretariat, the Legislative Assembly, and the High Court are the main government buildings in this city. Now we come to Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital city of Haryana. Haryana spreads over an area of around 44,000 square kilometers with 22 districts and a population of around 26 million. It shares its borders with the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, and the main language spoken here is Hindi. The soil of Haryana is very fertile. So that is why most of the farmers over there grow wheat, pulses, maize, sugarcane, and millets. The major rivers flowing through this state are the Yamuna, the Ghagar, the Saraswati, and the Krishnavati. And the important cities are Gurugram, which is known as Gurgaon, Panchkula, and Faridabad. Okay. Now we come to Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, UP, which is our own city. Uttar Pradesh is a very large and the most populous state of India. Okay. Lucknow being its capital city, it spreads over an area of around 243,000 square kilometers with 75 districts and a population of around 205 million. It shares its borders with the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Haryana, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. And the major languages spoken in this state are Hindi, Urdu, Awadhi, and Bhojpuri. The major crops cultivated in the state are wheat, rice, sugarcane, vegetables, pulses, and oilseeds. And the major rivers are the Ganga, the Yamuna, flow through this state. And the main point is the city, which the all the cities, major cities like Kanpur, Agra, Varanasi, Allahabad, Bareilly, all these are in UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, where in Agra, where we have the seventh wonder of the world, that is the Taj Mahal. And Lucknow, being the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, is located in the banks of the river Gomti. Hindi, Urdu, and English are the main languages spoken here. And in this city, that is Lucknow, the famous tourist attractions are Imambara, that is Bada and Chota Imambara, Rumi Darwaza, Husainabad Clock Tower, and Shaheed Samarak. Aminabad and Hazratganj are the main shopping centers, and Lucknow is basically famous for its chicken curry embroidery. Okay, and the elaborate cuisine and Nawab's cuisine, meaning the Mughlai food that we eat. Okay, now we come to Bihar. Bihar is a big state of India with its capital as Patna. It is the land of Buddha and Mahavira. Bihar spreads over an area of around 94,000 square kilometers with 38 districts and population around 100 million. Okay. And it shares its borders with Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. The main languages spoken in this state are Hindi, Urdu, Maithili, and Bhojpuri. And agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Bihar. Farmers grow rice, sugarcane, jute, tobacco, and vegetables. Major rivers are Kosi, the Ganges, the Ghagra, and the Karam Nasa, the river Karma Nasa. And the popular cities are Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Ara, Chhapra, and Darbhanga. Okay. Patna, being the capital city of Bihar, is situated on the banks of the river Ganga. Okay. In olden days, it was known, meaning Patna in olden days was known as Patliputra. And people here speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Urdu, and English. Golghar, Patna Museum, Raj Bhavan, St. Mary's Church, Patna Sahib Gurdwara, etc. are the main attractions of the tourists, and Chhat Puja is the main festival of the Biharis, that is the state of Bihar. Okay. Now we come to West Bengal. West Bengal is an eastern state of India with Kolkata being its capital city. It spreads over an area of around 89,000 square kilometers with 23 districts and population around 90 million. It shares its borders with the states of Assam, Sikkim, Odisha, Jharkhand, and Bihar, and the main language spoken here is Bengali. Rivers like the Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, and Mahananda make the land of West Bengal very fertile for the farmers to grow rice, jute, sugarcane, and cotton. Okay. And West Bengal is the largest producer of jute. Basically, jute bags. Because of jute, there are different varieties of jute bags. Then you will find shoes, decorative items, handicrafts, all from West Bengal. And the cities, famous cities are Bradhaman, Jalpaiguri, and Durgapur. Okay. Kolkata, being a metropolitan city, that is the capital city of West Bengal, was formerly, that is earlier known as Calcutta. Okay. But, uh, and it is the second largest city of India. And during the British rule, that is till 1911, it was the capital of India. But then afterwards, it was changed to New Delhi. And it is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay, the climate of West Bengal is neither very hot nor very cold, and it varies from the tropical savanna in the southern portion of humid subtropical in the north, and it receives very heavy rainfall. And it is, and the people and languages. People wear simple clothes, and usually women wear saris, cotton saris, and men wear dhoti kurta. Bangla, which is the most popular language, Hindi and English are also spoken here. Foods like rice and fish are the popular staple food of West Bengal, and sweets like the Roshagulla and the Sandesh are very popular. Industries like jute, sugar, cotton, chemical, footwear, and paper mills are, like I told you earlier, handicraft, clay, and cane articles. And also, brass items are also very famous in this state. The transportation of in West Bengal was very like popular among in because the first metro railway station was introduced in Calcutta. Buses and trams are also used by people for transportation, and Howrah and Sialda are the major railway stations of West Bengal. Okay, the Howrah Bridge, which is the busiest bridge in India, which is also called the Rabindranath Setu. Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge over there, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is in West Bengal, which connects Kolkata to other major cities of India and the world. And the Diamond Harbour is an important seaport here. The major places of interest are the Victoria Memorial, Fort William National Library, Birla Planetarium, Belur Mutt, Science City, Alipur Zoo, Eden Garden, Shanti Niketan, which was founded by late Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and as we all know, Durga Puja is the major festival celebrated here. Other than Eid and Christmas are also celebrated in this state, but the major festival is Durga Puja, which is a 9-day festivals, and people are very fond of music and dance also. And football and cricket are the major games that are played by many youngsters in this state. So with this, we come to the end of our lesson 13. I would please go through the lesson again, read it at least twice, and along with the video, I will attach the book exercise and notebook work. Kindly do it and complete your work. Thank you.